Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to show you how to edit the categories used to show ads on your YouTube. First thing you need to do is open up your YouTube and tap on the U icon at the bottom. So next thing, you're going to tap on the gear icon at the top to open up your settings, and then you tap on your data in YouTube. So once you tap on your data on YouTube, the next thing you're going to scroll until you see personalized ads. So once you've seen that, tap on the icon, the arrow that says that takes you to personalized ads. Make sure to turn on. Next thing you're going to do is you can see the categories used to show your ad. You can see it right here. So here you may see ads meant for people in this category, which are based on your Google activity. You can get ads for a different category or turn off anything you don't want to use. So let's get started. Relationships. Tap on it. Now if I want to use my relationship for show ads, I leave it on. If I don't want to, I turn it off. So if I want to, remember, you put it on. And then you can choose a category. Do you want ads that are meant for married, single, or relationship? Choose the one you want. Then you go to the next one. We have the next category, which is education. Tap on education. If you want education to be used to show you ads, leave it on. If you don't want, turn it off. Then you choose the ads meant. Do you want for high school diploma, at any college, bachelor's degree, or advanced degree? Choose the one. Let's say I want to choose for advanced degree. Tap on this. It's as simple as that. If you want to know what education has got to do with the ads, you can read this. Then the next thing you're going to do, let's say I don't want this, I turn it off. Next thing you're going to do is you check the next one. You do the same for industry, for employer size, home ownership, and parenting. It's as simple as that. So you can turn anywhere off you don't. Let's say I don't want for parenting, I can simply turn it off. If you want for parenting, you turn it on, and then you can set the category you want to belong to. So that is it under categories used to show your ads. Hope you found this video helpful.